G'day, Paul, Engineering Manager of Elasitech. Today we're in the lovely Pilbara, here to inspect a Magnefast chute we have had on trial for 13 weeks. Let's go and have a look.
This transfer chute was lined with direct bond ceramic tiles and patch repairs with ceramic resins. The chute required lining repair every 14 weeks, which is a high labour orientated process. The chute improvement goals for site were to increase liner service life to 26 weeks, and while doing that, reducing labour requirements for liner changes, which will eliminate the use of direct bond glues and ceramic resins for chute repairs, and reduce time for wear liner changes, which will make the wear liner change cleaner and easier for site to manage, along with reducing the OH&S risks for changing out these liners. We first put together a drawing which was provided by site and a plan to line the chute profile for trial. So the chute skin was designed with a panel map layout, and then a ceramic composition was chosen for improved performance. The chute body with the original ceramic tiles was all worn out, and the tiles were removed on site before the steel was reskinned. This was estimated 17 hours to remove the direct bond tiles and epoxy resins, and obviously grinding of the adhesive to bring it back to a clean skin while ready for lining with a new mild steel skin. We then put a anti-corrosion metal primer. This ensures that the steel backing gives us plenty of resistance to corrosion over the period of the liners wearing. The Magnefast install took 30 minutes with no delays with the Magnefast, but it had the ability to replace individual wear liners in hollow areas easily, more effectively. So a side-by-side comparison of the direct bond ceramic panels versus the Magnefast showed that the direct bond ceramic removal and installation and the end result was a very clean, neat, tidy chute.
The most comprehensive evaluation came at 52-week mark, a full year of service. The inspection revealed minimal wear on the ZTA material, only slight scalloping in the impact zone, excellent condition of the thermoplastic base plate and magnetic system, confirmed through selective panel removal. Parent metal maintaining good condition with no signs of corrosion. Magnetic mounting system maintaining full hold strength, meeting the critical longevity requirements. This increase from 14 weeks service life to 8 years service life has been estimated by site senior reliability engineer after the 52-week inspection.